Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the foundation single crochet. So I just started with a slip knot, then I'm going to chain 2 and go here in my first chain. You go through 2 loops, so you have 1 below and 2 up. Here you're gonna finish this stitch, which is going to be your chain or your base, the base of your single crochet, and then you yarn over and you finish your single crochet. So this is your first single crochet, like this. So maybe we can start over again. Let's start from the beginning. So I have my step knot, chain 2, go through 2 loops, pull up a yarn, pull up a loop, sorry, then yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, and this is 1 single crochet. Then to continue, you'll do the same. You'll go through 2 loops here in your previous single crochet that you made. So here you go through 2, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and here you have 2 single crochets. So instead of having a chain, a foundation chain, and then you do your single crochet, you do both at the same time. So again, you go through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's it. You continue until you made the amount of single crochet that you needed. Whoops, I didn't put that right. Sometimes it's a little bit a struggle, so it's a bit more difficult for single crochet because it's so small. I like to do it for half double crochet personally, but it all works the same. So yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna do like 200, so you just continue. This is your foundation single crochet technique. So here are your single crochet without having to do 2 rows basically.